Welcome, my juniors. I got 20 out of 20 on my practicals for business studies. Let's go through the project and I'll be telling you how did I made it and everything about the BST project. So basically you can see this project. I made my project on a study on the application of techniques of scientific management. Okay, I used F.W. Taylor's techniques. So let's go through the project. I visited Bhilai Steel Plant and my year of academics was 1819. I studied in Holy Cross, Kappa. Okay, so here is the project. It starts with the very first page, which has my name, class, section, roll number, which is the CBSE roll number, with the institution name and academic year. The next page basically contains the name of my project, okay, the topic basically. The second page needs to be the certificate, which says this is to certify that the project report entitled and then the name of the topic and then submitted by of your name and then your class. Then these are the other contents which you can actually copy down, and here is the name of my institution. Then you can see all these signatures and everything. After certificate we have this acknowledgement. In acknowledgement you need to give the name of the teacher who helped you out. Here is the name of my teacher, Mr. Nishikant Mishra sir, and then everything, like I have also thanked my principal because he provided me the letter and everything, which is basically required if you want to visit any of the industry basically. Then you will have this index page. After you complete index just has the particular and page number side. I basically clicked more than 500 pictures of the complete plant, but I wasn't basically able to paste all the pictures. So I have few of the pictures over here that you will be able to see in all the pages basically. So here is something about Taylor, and then this is Bhilai Steel Plant. Okay, so it totally depends on you what will be your creativity, and this was mine. Like I have been sticking all these kind of small pages everywhere, and here are some of the pictures. I hope you can see that. Okay, yeah, and then the next page, scientific management techniques by F.W. Taylor, and then everything about the techniques. So even here I have written many things. I hope you can see that. Okay, then firstly basically you need to explain about Taylor, and then you need to tell about the topics, about the principles. So here are they. I used different colors paper. You can use normal paper as well, like this are the normal paper, and in between I have used these kind of different papers. And after that, work measurement, objective of work measurement, everything is over here. You can see each and every type of topic which is being covered by F.W. Taylor is being written over here using charts. Using basically your project will be unique when you put your own effort in your own way. Do not try to copy anyone's project, or else your project won't be looking different. So yeah, these kind of small pages also I used, colorful sheets. Then these diagrams, what I observed. Basically here is observation, you can see that I've written observation, and here are the observation on the basis of such graphs. I've used these graphs as well. Okay, and then you can make these writing part also. What I have observed in the BSP plant. Okay, and these observations are basically the conclusion of F.W. Taylor's technique and also with what I have observed. So everything is written over here. As you can see, all these lines, I hope you can see, it's visible I guess in the camera. And then the conclusion part. There is the conclusion, that what was the final result in BSP. Then advantages of scientific management techniques to industry, that is Bhilai Steel Plant. And then I have pasted the pictures everywhere. You can see these are the real pictures that I clicked. It's not the one taken from Google or somewhere like that. All these pictures that you can see are being clicked by myself only. So you need to put your own efforts to get good marks. Now here are the questionnaires. Now these questionnaires will be the annexures basically. So I provided almost more than 50 questionnaires to different employees, but I just took some samples of it as an annexure. Like here you can see I prepared 5 different kinds of questionnaires. This is the first one, and you can see the name of the employer. Okay, employer name with the designation or the current post and what they have written as their answer. You can see that as well. Okay, and the questionnaires basically needs to be very small. It just contains 4 different questions, as you can see that. Okay, then over here you can see technician. What I did is basically I went through different employees of different post. Okay, here also you can see this is basically chairman. These kind of yes no kind of questions you can give them. As you can see, this is the third questionnaire, and let them give answer in their own preferable languages. Like here the technician have given the answer in Hindi language, so it's totally fine. And you can see even the questions were in both the languages, so even they can understand what I am trying to say them. And every questionnaire have different questions. Clear? Questionnaire 4 and questionnaire 5. So I basically took 10 pages of all the questionnaires, 5 different questionnaires having different questions, and I have given all these things to 50 employees and took the sample of their questionnaires. And in annexure I have two samples of it. Okay, as it's not possible to give all the questionnaires. And here is all the pictures that you can see. Even for me it was not possible to paste all the pictures. As I told you before, I had clicked more than 500 pictures of the complete plant, so it wasn't possible to capture all the picture in this one project. So these were some. It was completely a one-day visit to Bhilai Steel Plant. And for approaching to any of the plant, firstly you need to get application written from your school, and then you need to visit the plant. At plant also you need to get application, verification and many different things, because even the plant, they also do not allow you to go there directly. So you need to get an application, NOC done and filled by the plant as well. And this is bibliography. And then basically the teacher remark, and after that teacher remark, this was thank you. And that was it. That was my project. And remember guys, your project will be basically it will be hold like this, okay, by the school authority itself, so that no one else can use the same project. So that was it. That was my project. I hope you liked it, and any of your queries regarding how to make the BST project, you can surely comment it down, and you can connect to me on my social media handles. Thank you. I hope you like it.